November 12th, 2024. See what happened this day. So this date, we're trying to take out the prior day high. Most people are probably waiting for this. These highs right here are probably this high for their next play. We're trying to take out the prior day high. So with that being said, so let me see, what do we have here? We have a double top right here, 589.99. Then next up, we have a double top right here. Let's come back a little bit more. Okay. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit to this level since it lines up with the other two, and then use this level here. Bodie. Bam. Sheesh. Crazy. Broke out, rejected my level. Even when we came back down, probably was red for a split second. Came up, held the next level. Let's see what I could have done better. We'll put a level right here and see what I missed, and put a level right here and see what I missed. So you could say this level, no, bugging, move. Let's see what I missed over here. Okay. I saw this, but I wanted to give it a little bit more room, so I didn't put it. Let me not do that yet. Let me see something now. Okay. Okay. Meta's so tricky at these prices. Yeah. There it is. Next up, 8/12/2025. This was recent, 8/12/2025. Meta's so tricky, but you just gotta watch it. So this is, let me see something. Check for gaps. No gaps. So this is all-time high, right? This is all-time high. We go back down to the 4-hour time frame. So we have all-time high, then we have a resistance here. We have a resistance here, and can't do this resistance because this is entry. So this is entry. We're already above this. So we can say this is a resistance. This is a resistance. Even though there's no wick on the top of this candle, I'll put a line here just to see how we react. And again, just because we get a strong rejection from this high, that doesn't mean you have to wait for this high to take your play. There's always a play. You just got to watch how we set up for the play. And if you look at the pattern, we dipped, came back up, dipped, came back up. And when we dip, we tried taking out this high this day. It didn't work. Then when we dip again, we came back up to take out these 2 days back to back. So now we're creating new highs. All right. So boom. I'm gonna do 950 on the 1 minute. So boom. Red to green. Reject first level. Held. Broke out. Next level. Red to green through this one, came up, all-time high, consolidated around in this area that had no resistance or support. So there's always a play as long as we're creating a new high. You just got to watch how we create the new high. Like right here, like I showed you, we took out this day on this day, then on this day we try to take out the prior day to create a new high. So forget about these days before it. Just use these days before it as resistance on the 4-hour time frame. So all I'm worried about now is how we're approaching the pre-market level after eliminating these 2 days. You understand? So this day eliminated this day, and this pre-market high eliminated this day, showing that we were ready to make another move up, basically.